Curology free trial. For $7 you get a custom box with 4 products. 1 small Curology custom formula for anti-aging or acne, small cleanser, small rich moisturizer and a lip balm, SPF 30. The lip balm, SPF 30. Featured ingredients: zinc oxide 9.4%, a mineral, aka physical, sunscreen ingredient that protects against both UVA and UVB rays with minimal risk of irritation. Suggested use: pull down on the slider with your thumb to open and apply generously to lips. Swipe back up to securely close. Use 15 minutes before sun exposure and reapply at least every 2 hours. Curology tip: to best protect your delicate lip skin from damaging UV rays, use your SPF 30 lip balm 15 minutes before sun exposure and reapply at least every 2 hours. The lip balm, SPF 30, cannot prevent all harm from UV rays. The rich moisturizer. Featured ingredients: allantoin, a multi-purpose emollient that moisturizes, soothes, and protects skin while helping it heal. Aloe, a nutrient-rich plant extract that hydrates and soothes skin. Glycerin, a humectant that locks water in the skin's outer layer to maximize moisture levels. Hyaluronic acid, a naturally occurring sugar that attracts water to deeply hydrate and plump the skin. Shea butter, a plant-based emollient that seals in moisture to soften and smooth skin. Squalane, a plant-based oil that locks in moisture to help soften skin. Suggested use: apply the rich moisturizer after washing your face and patting your skin dry. Curology tip: moisturizer absorbs best into freshly washed skin that's damp but not wet, kind of like a sponge. Damp skin is more absorbent. The cleanser. Featured ingredients: glycerin, a humectant that locks water in the skin's outer layer to maximize moisture levels. Suggested use: massage the cleanser onto your damp skin. Rinse off thoroughly with warm water, then pat your skin dry. Curology tip: rinse your skin with comfortably lukewarm, not hot, water. Too hot water can strip your skin of its natural moisture barrier, leaving your skin damaged and vulnerable. Gentle cleansing is the way to go. Curology Future Proof RX. Active ingredients: depends on your prescription for acne or anti-aging. Suggested use: after cleansing and drying your skin, apply a thin layer of your Curology Future Proof RX to your entire face and then wash your hands. Let your formula get to work while you sleep.